gonna make Chaat Papri Mexican style. For that, I got black beans. I soak them in the water and boil them. You can use can if you like. So for that, now I'm gonna use this 1 cup. And I frozen corn. I thawed it and boiled it. So I'm gonna use like 2 tablespoons in here. So I'm gonna put like 3 spoons of yellow pepper. And I have red pepper. Put equal amount. I cut extra because we're going to be using. And green pepper, same amount. There you go. And spring onion, I put the same amount. Tastes good. And I got the 1 jalapeno chopped. I'm gonna use only 1 teaspoon. I don't want to make too spicy. The kids won't eat it. And I got tomatoes chopped. I'm gonna use also same amount. Coriander. Fresh coriander, use a couple spoons. Got a half lemon juice, pour that in here. And got 1 teaspoon is cumin seeds, crushed and roasted. Salt to taste. And I have chaat masala. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon in here. And I got boiled potatoes. I'm gonna put 2-3 spoons there also. And I made salsa sauce. I put 2-3 spoons there. I made a fresh salsa sauce. There you go. And spicy chili sauce, red chili sauce. I'm gonna put a couple teaspoons this. I know it's spicy. Mix it all together. I have here a little bit cheddar cheese. You can use Mexican cheese. So this is all mixed. I'm gonna add a little bit of lettuce. I'm going to have the girls to taste this. There you go. And so I got this 2 tortilla with the pesto sauce. So I'm gonna make this shape of chaat. So I'm gonna cut like this. There you go. So I get this, so I just cut them like this. And I'm gonna just put them in tray, baking tray, and bake them about 10 minutes at 300. So that will be done then.
We're gonna add some that
Chaat Papri. So like I bake this, you can fry them. I have the video how I did it, so you can see that also. There you go. And I'm just gonna put on the side. I'm not gonna mix inside they can mix them soft. You can just put it here like this. Like when you mix it inside, get a little bit of soft. Right? Alright, so there you go. We're gonna taste that. Alright girls, go for it. Tell me what is it taste like.
Delicious.
Oh my god.
So good.
Yeah. Please, if you like my recipe, like my video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.